Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Mini Kafta Kabab. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, so you saw how to make this mini kofta kebabs. They are absolutely delicious, one-biters. And you can serve them with pita breads, dips, salads, you name it. They were so versatile and delicious. And with that said, you can view our kofta kebab skewer recipe over here, our lamb sfiha recipe over here, and our tandoori mutton chops recipe over here. And with that said, catch you in the next one.